open up Blender and references. Delete default cube. Press 1 for find orthographic numpad. Press Shift A for cube. Then press Ctrl 3 for subdivision surface modifier. Scale it, then add Ctrl R. Press Ctrl R for loop cut and add loop cut. Press Ctrl D for duplication and move it on the next side. Select bottom last vertices, then scale it along a side. Make sure to place the vertices same as I showed to you. Add loop cut, then rotate it along a side. Make sure to have a base of main body. Make a duplicate of neck, then rotate it and place there where neck should be, and edit it in edit mode, then make another duplicate. Also do not forget to add mirror modifier so you can have on the another side. Now duplicate the complete back side from back, then move it to the front side. Now it's time to add a cube, then move it to head side. Make sure to scale it like head. Kindly watch Markhor reference images again and again so you can have the base anatomy idea of the structure. So here you can see we have created the base mesh of Markhor. In the next video we'll do more stuff. If you like that video, kindly subscribe it. Thanks.